Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to what's pretty much not a track day for me because my bike is not ready. What happened was one of the cylinders is misfiring. And because of that, I cannot ride today. But today's video is about a track day that didn't happen. Because everybody else got to do the track day but me. So that's what we're going to show you. So, no bike. This is the track day that never was. But we're going to show you some of the other stuff that was there. Like that one. That went on track. I did it. A big part of the track day is not just the bikes and everything else, but what we bring along with it. And this is what we bring along with it. We have fuel, we have bike stands, we have a table, we got water, we have an ice cooler, we have our suits hanging up dangerously. Well, not very, because this is on. It's fine, don't worry. And everything else. Well, I do hope you guys enjoyed the track day that didn't happen. So thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road. Oh, wait. Rather, see you on the track.